Hey there, fellow gardeners. Are you ready to transform your garden into a pest-free paradise using only what's already in your kitchen? Today, we're diving deep into the world of DIY natural pest control. I'll reveal not just one, but several secret recipes that'll make chemical sprays a thing of the past. Imagine mealybugs, aphids, caterpillars, and even spider mites vanishing from your garden, quickly, safely, and naturally. All thanks to homemade concoctions that are not only effective, but gentle on your plants and the environment. The best part? These solutions are simple, affordable, and leave no toxic residues behind. Let's break down the star ingredients: cinnamon, garlic, ground red pepper, and vegetable oil. Each one brings unique benefits to your garden. Cinnamon acts as a natural antifungal and antibacterial shield, protecting your plants from disease. Garlic's allicin repels pests with its strong aroma, while chili pepper's capsaicin is pure misery for insects. Vegetable oil helps the mixture stick to leaves, suffocating bugs and ensuring long-lasting protection. Here's the step-by-step for our classic botanical spray. After a full day, strain the mixture through a cloth to remove any solids, then pour it into a clean spray bottle. This keeps your sprayer clog-free and ready for action. Spray your plants early in the morning or late in the afternoon when the sun is gentle. This prevents leaf burn and gives the solution time to work. Be thorough. Spray both the tops and undersides of leaves for maximum coverage. Repeat every few days if pests persist, and once a month for prevention. Wondering if it really works? Absolutely. This isn't just about killing bugs. It's about keeping them away for good. The antimicrobial properties of these ingredients help maintain healthy plant tissues, while the scent and oil deter future infestations. By using this spray, you're not just treating the problem, you're preventing it from coming back. Your plants become more resilient, and your garden thrives without harmful chemicals. But wait, there's more. Let's explore a couple of other natural insecticide recipes you can whip up at home. Neem oil spray. Mix 2 teaspoons of pure neem oil with 1 teaspoon of mild liquid soap in 1 litre of water. Shake well and spray on affected plants. Neem oil disrupts insect hormones, stopping pests from feeding and reproducing. Soap spray. Dissolve 1 tablespoon of pure, unscented soap flakes in 1 litre of warm water. Let it cool, then spray directly on soft-bodied insects like aphids and whiteflies. The soap breaks down their protective coating, causing them to dehydrate. Herbal spray. Steep a handful of fresh basil, mint or rosemary in hot water for 30 minutes. Strain, cool, and spray on your plants. These herbs repel a wide range of pests and add a fresh scent to your garden. Extra tip: keep your garden tidy. Remove fallen leaves and debris and mulch your beds to discourage pests from settling in. Try companion planting. Grow marigolds, nasturtiums or basil alongside your veggies to naturally repel insects. Encourage beneficial bugs like ladybugs and lacewings, which feast on pests. Keep a garden journal to track pest outbreaks in your spray schedule. Label your bottles and ingredients for easy use. Share these natural solutions with friends and family. The more we use safe, homemade sprays, the healthier our gardens and our planet will be. With these recipes and tips, you'll not only banish pests, but also attract pollinators and boost your garden's natural balance. So, if you're tired of pests sucking the life out of your garden, give these natural formulas a try. They're easy, effective, and the perfect addition to your gardening toolkit. If you found this guide helpful, share it with a friend battling pests. And for more natural gardening solutions, subscribe to Nature's Fix. Let's keep our gardens flourishing naturally, one homemade spray at a time.